So one of the most commonly asked questions I get is like, how fast do you troll? You know, that is a big key in success is speed. Obviously, adjusting with a handheld remote like this, running the trolling motor to adjust to those fine low speeds is what you're going to want to key in on. I generally troll with the waves when I can. When they get too big, you know, a foot, maybe a foot and a half, they get too big to troll into, so you know, you make your pass down current or down waves, pick everything up, run back up with your big motor, troll back down waves again. A simple thing like just dropping your kicker motor in the water is going to slow you down about 1/10 of a mile an hour without even turning it on. So definitely slower is better that time of year. Fine tune it with your handheld remote while running your trolling motor. That should help you put a lot of these big fish in the boat.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.